Just in the Kitchen with me, your host Justine. Today we're making crab cakes. Now when I was young, you couldn't catch me, you couldn't get me to eat crab meat or anything like that. And then one day I went and I had lobster. I'm like, well, I like lobster. And then guess what? I found out I like crab and I like shrimp and I liked everything besides just fish sticks. So it's easy. There's kind of a lot of things, but it's all easy to make. I have in here lump crab meat and I also have regular crab meat, and I buy it in my grocer's refrigerator section, and so it is like $25 for lump crab meat. I love Mark, I love my family, but not that much. Not $50 for a crab cake. So I get the other that is just the fine crab meat, and I mix it with lump crab meat. So here I'm going to put some stone ground mustard in here. Oops. Stone ground mustard. I'm going to put some mayonnaise. And it's really easy, believe it or not. I don't like a lot of things. I know people put red pepper and they put celery and things like that. I just want, mostly crab. I have some panko. I have a beaten egg, and this will be your binder. This is Old Bay seasoning. Some lemon juice. And this is all the veggies I put in here. I put in some parsley and some green onion. If you have chives, I've put in chives before. And you want to mix gently, because you don't want the lump crab, as expensive as it is, you don't want it to break apart. So just mix it just make sure everything is mixed. And I like using a spatula versus a spoon because it just seems a little easier. That's it. There we go. We're done. I'm going to add a little salt, not a lot. Crab comes from the sea. It's a little on the salty side, and I'm going to add some pepper. Mix that around. I should have mixed it in before, but I forgot to add it all in again for the least amount of stirring. There you go. Now I have a pan, and I am going to make these into patties. And then I have a bowl over here with a little bit more panko. And you can make these like in minis, and they're very good. They will go at a party, let me tell you. And I just put a little panko. See? Look how good that looks. And the crab's already cooked, so all it does is take a little bit to get it brown, and it's going to be nice and crispy. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for about a half an hour so it can set up. And then once it sets up, I can fry them off. Yay! And they are so good. And such a great, they are such a great summer meal. Have this, have some salad, and you're set. It is so good. And what I'm going to make with it is an aioli, an Old Bay aioli. So this makes about 6 crab cakes. And if you're making mini ones, I don't know, you'll get about 12, maybe 18, depending on how big you're going to make them. There we go. So we'll be right back. I'm going to finish making these. I'm going to put them in the refrigerator. They're going to set for a half an hour, and we'll be good to go. We're making Old Bay aioli. Very easy. Start with some mayonnaise. I don't want a lot. I just want it for the crab cakes. Then you add some Old Bay seasoning. And I have very finely minced garlic. You can even crush it. Add a little lemon juice, salt, some pepper, and then you add some Worcestershire, and then just a little bit of Dijon mustard. And then you can taste it. If you want more Old Bay, you can have more Old Bay. But this is great for burgers, but it's really good on the crab cakes. Let me taste it. Get it all mixed up here. There's your Old Bay aioli. And it'll go on your crab cakes. So let's get to the crab cakes. They've been sitting in the refrigerator long enough. Time to cook those little puppies up. My mouth is watering so bad. I want these crab cakes in my mouth. Just have a little canola oil in there. And I'll do 3 at a time. Now if you're doing these for a party, put them in the oven to keep them warm as you're cooking them. You can do them this way. You can heat them up in the oven too. You can already have them done, put them away, cook them, and then finish them off in the oven when your company comes. Heat them up. So all I'm going to do is brown it on one side and then brown it on the other, and we will have crab cakes. I can barely talk because my mouth is watering that bad. Cannot wait. See my crab cakes? Look how beautiful they are on one side. There's not a lot of filler. I love these. They held together. Part of that was putting it in the refrigerator for a certain amount of time. So I'm going to let them cook, finish them up. We'll have crab cakes. Am I on? We're back. We're done. Actually, not even all of them. I can't wait. I am going to take bites. Oh. This is what summer's about. No, just crab, a little bit of onion. Oh. I could eat this whole thing in front of you. Remember, for this recipe and more, go to www.justinthekitchen.com. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to YouTube. That's the big thing. Subscribe to YouTube, ding that little bell, and you know what? You guys have a wonderful summer. Hope you enjoy these. They're delicious. And that aioli, I can't get enough of it. God bless. Have a great summer. Bye.